There's all three? These two and the other one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Look it.
Come here.
No, that's cute. Look it. Qué bien.
That's my girl. It's cold, isn't it, darling?
She knows it's a girls?
Yeah, all girls.
All girls?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cold, isn't it? Yeah.
oh look at so.
That's a white deer.
Mm-hmm. Come here. Come here, baby.
Come over here.
Let me see. Let me touch it.
Just move
Oh.
slowly.
Yeah, I'm lucky to see this, okay? Hello, come
You
here.
have your camera. I'll take the picture.
Huh?
You.
No, that's fine. That's
Okay.
okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here.
Come over here.
Come here. Come on. How you calling? How you talking?
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Easy. Easy. You're fine.
Come here.
I'll go get some peppermints. Black peppermints.
Oh, okay.
While you're
I know.
looking.
I know. So I know. Yeah, I know. Something you have to do with them so they can come close like that. But you feeding, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
it.
Ay, come here. Come here. Let me touch you. Oh yeah. Look, la estoy tocando. Fíjense. Okay. Oh, venga. Por primera vez en mi vida. First time in my life.
Got your deer?
Yeah. And it's not pregnant or what? How old is it?
Oh gosh, about 13 years old.
Oh.
Just
But
bad.
no males over here.
They're mean. In
Mm.
rutting season, they get very mean.
Come here.
So we just have little girls.
Okay.
Oh,
Let me
just-
see.
Yeah.
Here, you take me a video with close.
Mm-hmm. Is it going?
Huh?
Is it on?
It's on. Yeah, it's on. Hello. ¿Qué oles? Esta es la Christmas. Esta es la Navidad. Miren. Come here. Do you name it or no?
Eileen.
This is Alan.
Yeah, it's Eileen, but they don't know their names.
But they go all around neighborhoods with the neighbors or what?
They just stay in this property.
Oh, really? Uy. Hey. Vine aquí a hacer un estimado. I'm telling one and come here. Vine aquí a hacer un estimado de los cares y miren lo que me encuentro. Hello. Let me get close to you.
Look
Okay.
at that. Good.
Come here. Come here. Por primera vez. All right. Sounds good.
Well, that's a clear picture.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I'll go get you some peppermint.
Okay, so you want to replace or what do you want?
Replace
Replace is only here or on the back too?
here and the back.
In the back. Okay. All right. This is enough for the video. Thank you.
Yes.
All right.